everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to redeem Microsoft game code. To redeem your Microsoft game code is easy. First, open your Microsoft Store app to get started. In the search box, search for Microsoft Store and launch it open. Also make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account by entering your Microsoft account's credentials. After logging into Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon located at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click on Redeem Code or Gift Cards. After logging in, you'll be able to see this text box where you can easily enter your redemption code. Enter the 25 characters long game code in the text box and then you'll be able to redeem your gift code. Make sure to type in the code exactly as it appears and you'll be able to redeem your Microsoft game code right away. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.